In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Calendar View. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add events quickly and confidently so your calendar stays clear and up to date. Once you're looking at your Notion Calendar View, the fastest way to create a new event is to use the plus sign on the day you want. Hover your cursor over a date and watch for a small plus to appear. Click it, and Notion will open a fresh calendar item already anchored to that day. Give your event a clear, descriptive title so it stands out at a glance. If your database includes properties like tags, status, or people, you can fill those in right away to keep everything organized. Press Enter to save, and the event will appear on the calendar exactly where you placed it. You can also add items by clicking directly into the calendar itself. In a monthly view, click inside the box for the specific date you want. In a weekly or daily view, click the exact time slot you need. This tells Notion to create the event with that date, and in time-based views, it will pick up the time you clicked as well. As before, type a short, meaningful title and confirm to save. This approach is great when you already know the precise spot the event should land. A few quick tips make this even smoother. If the plus sign isn't obvious, move your mouse near the corner or header of the day cell and give it a second to appear. When you're scheduling something time-specific, click close to the time you want in the weekly or daily layout to reduce edits later. For all-day items, placing them from the monthly view can feel more natural. And if you're working in a narrow window, widening the calendar or zooming out slightly can help the plus buttons show up more reliably. Remember, what you see in the event editor depends on your database's properties. Use consistent titles and optional tags, so future you can find things fast. If you need to refine details later, simply open the event from the calendar and adjust its fields, date, time, or any other property, without starting over. That's it. To recap the essentials, click the plus sign on any day to add a new calendar item, or click directly where you want the event to go. With these two simple actions, you can capture plans in seconds and keep your Notion calendar clean, accurate, and useful every single day.